Nashville was.
Yeah.
And, with those, actually, I would have preferred to have not been getting them right now. Because, it's just, some of them are good leads, but the thing is that we're really, because of our staffing situation, I just think that it would be better to focus on our core territory, or make sure we're doing a good job of servicing those homeowners. And then, it's expensive.
12:55.
Yep.
5 minutes.
There's just more expense to servicing those clients.
Yep.
And, for, like, and I know this lead didn't come from Home Depot, but that mailbox job, I mean, it really makes no sense for us to go do that one.
I know.
Yeah, and I mean, but Nashville is such a broad,
Yes.
pretty extensive community.
So, Mr. Comer told me that he called quote unquote honeydew service, and he got another service, a Franklin honeydew service, and he said that when he asked him, he told him that because he was expecting to have you on the line, he said that he was kind of shocked, that it was somebody else. And then when they looked it up, they're like, well, we've never serviced you before. And he's like, no, yes, you have, So, yeah. So,
Interesting.
which is interesting, isn't it?
Yep. Better make sure that there's... I don't know, what time is it? And 4 minutes.
Makes you wonder if somebody like seen my van and oh, that's a good name. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. Yep. It's like New Year's Eve.
Well, ours pops up on the thing pretty quick.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he got mixed up.
I don't know. Of course, we're in the Better Business Bureau. We're Williamson Source.
I did have a lady call who was trying to fill out the survey, do the survey card, and she said who she was, like on the caller ID, but we don't have any record of doing business for her. Any kind of...
Interesting, huh?
So I'm like, okay, so which franchise is she
2
trying
minutes!
to get in touch with?
Remember, what did I tell you? Last time it went off late, so if it goes off late, I don't want to hear any... Last time he got all upset. It didn't go off, Dad. And then all of a sudden, like, about 3 minutes after it went off.
Yeah.
Then he says to me, he goes, does Nashville set off their alarms? And then a few minutes later, he goes, they set theirs off at noon. Okay, so what do you ask me?
Yeah. Oh.
Testing me out.
Yeah.
That was a fast morning.
It wasn't.
12:59.
Okay.
1 minute. It could be any second now, you mean? It's gonna be right on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is that time?
It'll happen, don't worry.
So just give it a minute.
Yep. It'll be okay.
So just give it a minute.
Yeah. Try to be patient.
It could just be late.
Yep. What state do you live in? Tennessee, right? Sometimes they're late for things.
3 minutes last time.
And that's just because everyone sets their clocks. You know, there could be differences. Right?
So it could still go off, right?
Yep, it still could.
There she is.
There it is.
Oh, 1 minute late.
Does everyone hear that?
Yep.
I hear it.
So, it's funny. So they Wade's Grove published, whatchamacallit,
Or what?
link for the pool.
Oh,
So they must be.
yeah. I think you might be able to sign up to
But-
reserve your
But it
time.
doesn't work.
Oops.
Everybody's been complaining it doesn't work.
Oh. Yeah, and I also heard through the rumor mill that they took all the pool furniture out, so I think that means you have to bring your own.
Now where do
Gotcha.
we go?
Ready to swim? The pool is open.
So, you know, the bad thing with that is that it's going to encourage people to drive versus,
Now what does that sound like?
you know, some people could probably walk, you know, but now you've got, in addition to your towels and snacks or whatever,
Alright, it's over.
your waters.
That's done.
Yep, it's done.
Gotta wait until next month.
Mm-hmm. That's gonna be August 1st, Griffin. Alright, I'm gonna go have lunch and gotta vacuum the down.